Boss, what you are doing, you see, one thing you are mistaken. Always you need to remember that.
In
uh, uh, you see what it was happen at line. Okay, comment all this line number 12 to 14. Control Shift forward slash. Control Shift. Yeah. Uh, Now you execute the program. So it should show. Okay, save the program.
Yes, sir.
sir, it is int na sir. It won't take decimal value na sir. That's why it's showing 0 sir. I think if we change float
Yes,
like
yes, yes, yes. Just change that one into the float, please.
Y value, sir.
X. Okay, both change both the values to the float. Hmm, do that now.
Can I run it, sir?
Yes. Now you got it.
Yes.
So now, if you see that, what is it was happening is as it is a float, it was not taking 0.5. So now that is the same thing, right? 5 divided by 10, it comes as
Yes.
0.5.
Yes.
So as we declared it as int, it was coming as this. And the another problem what you have done is you are doing the multiplications, x plus y printing it, and x into 5. Okay, there is no value to override it. Okay, the previously what we have been commented, it doesn't make any big difference. That's the reason. Okay, fine. The problem is on the declaration of the variables. Did you got
Oh,
it?
yes, sir.
Okay, can you go to the strings?
Yes.
Strings. Are you showing me strings, Arvind? You guys are able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
అది రెండే దిక్కులు అన్న కాల్ చేయండి మరి చెప్పిన సెట్టింగ్
Others, can you please go on mute?
చెప్పిన సెట్టింగ్ అన్నారు
Okay. Naresh, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, hello.
Yes, I'm saying it. Show me the operators.
Hello, sir. Sir, ఇది పవర్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది ఇందాక సడన్ గా.
Fine, Arvind. I'll ask you later.
ఓకే సార్.
Naresh, can you go for the operators? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Now operators.
Scroll down. Scroll down. Naresh, can you scroll down?
Yes, sir. Over this one our last line, sir.
Okay. Go to the strings.
Yes, sir.
I'm still seeing this. Okay.
So now,
Yes, I'm able to see this. Okay, can you explain me line number 29?
sir, concatenating means combining two strings, sir.
Mm-hmm.
For example, A, B, C, D. Again, A, B, C, D print another string values.
What is this slash in?
The next line, sir.
What is this contains? Line number 32.
True or false, sir. Check the value is there or not.
Okay, so now in the string text, you have this.
Sir.
In the string text, you have AB.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is this content equal to?
This much only I prepare.
Okay, what is this code point content count?
No idea, sir. That I will.
You said you have been learned till there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what do you mean by code point before?
If print the value first array values 0, 1, 2 is there starting with 0, sir. You print only 1 before 1 means you print A.
What is that method will do? So code point before, what is that particular method will do over there? See, Naresh, one thing for sure. So actually, the operators, the way you implemented it is really nice. So you have been following the standards and doing it. And when it comes to the strings, you have been copied somewhere else. The basic problem, what it is showing to me is not important. You understanding this is most important. Guys, this is point for everyone. If you show me the code, I'll be not happy. If you explain me the code, then only I'll be happy. So make sure that even though if you copy the code from somewhere else, I know that everyone will copy it. It's okay. But still, you should able to understand what you have been copied. What you're executing, line by line of code, you should able to explain me. Then there is no point, right? So you mean to say that if you show me this, I'm happy and then I'll go for the next topic? No. Definitely you should able to explain me the line by line code. And you should able to explain me the logics. So moving further, when we go for loopings or conditions and all these things, you should able to explain me the each and every iteration. That is any particular, but make sure from tomorrow it shouldn't be happen. Thanks, Naresh. Stop. GMC, can you share the screen? Jimsy, you there? You are muted yourself. Can you unmute to talk? Aarti, can you share the screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, is my screen visible?
It's loading, Aarti.
Okay.
Okay. What trim does?
Sorry?
At the line number 15.
Yes, sir. It will add a word at the end or in the beginning. It will add a string. Actually, in the first string, I've given hello world, I am good. So there I'm making a word at the end, good morning. So along with that hello world, I am good, and good morning will be added.
See, that is, you can do it with str1 plus good morning, right? Why you add the trim? What is the purpose of a trim?
It will remove the extra space. So it will just trim the word.
In S1, we don't have the means you mean to say that hello space world I am space. We have you mean to say that it will remove those spaces?
Actually,
What is trim?
it will just add. I'm
Okay,
unable
anyone
to
else?
check.
Can I, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can I, sir?
Below
Sir, it is used to remove the space
From
present at the beginning or at the
and
end.
It removed
And
trailing and blanking spaces in the
Okay,
statement.
okay. I don't. You can raise your hands. You have the hand symbol in your dashboard, right? You just click on hand. Who wanted to answer this string? Okay, go ahead, Shweta.
that if there are any spaces before and after the string, that is in string 1, if before H and after G any spaces are there, it will remove only that, sir. In between hello world space, I am good, that spaces it won't trim, sir. Only the before and after tailing.
Okay, so if I wanted to remove the left side,
Sir?
got the answer, Shweta. So if I wanted to remove the left side spaces, then I wanted to remove only left side spaces, not right side spaces. Then
I don't.
Anita.
I don't know, sir. That trim is for starting and ending spaces will be removed.
Sir, can I, sir?
Okay, fine. My question is different. My question is, if I wanted to remove the left side spaces only, then
Trailing, sir.
Pavani.
Trailing, sir.
Huh?
Trailing. From left side, it is trailing. From the end of the statement, it is blanking. Middle of this statement, it is embedded spaces, sir.
Anita, my question is, if I wanted to remove the left side spaces, what method I should use it? Pavani?
I don't know, sir.
Oh, you said. Okay. Amit?
I don't know about removing space from left side.
See, trim will remove both the sides. If I wanted to remove on the left side, then I have L trim, left side trim, R trim, right side trim.
Okay, sir.
See, now if you have the space, means after good, give the spaces, go to the line number 8. After the good, give the space.
So can you pardon me, sir? Hello.
Are you able to hear me, Aarti?
Yes, sir. Now I'm able to.
Can you
Line
go to
number,
line number 8?
yes.
So there you give the space after good. I'm not saying that you are making changes.
So I have done some. I think so. It's taking some time to load. I have done the changes.
Okay. See, always remember, trim will remove the spaces on the both the sides, and L trim will remove the spaces on the left side. R trim will remove the spaces on the right side. And so string dot length will give you the length of the string. And if you wanted to do uppercase, you can do two uppercase. Means complete string will change into uppercase. Two lowercase, everything will be changed into two lowercase. And what else? Caret. Now caret, what it will do? So now
It will take
caret,
each.
we are just trying to define the line number 23 here, right? So can you explain me the line number 23?
Yes, sir. So hello slash n they have given. So it will move on to the next line. Hello will be printed in the first, and then good morning will be printed. It is a special character which is used in strings. Line number 43.
No. So I'm asking on line number 23. Till now, I didn't came to 43 till now. So I'm just
Okay,
there
sorry.
in line number 23 itself.
Right. Yes, sir. So 23, right?
Yes.
Okay. So it will read each and every character. I have specified this str1 string which holds my hello world I am good value. Now I'm starting with 0. So it will display, uh, it will start reading my character over there. So my output will
So
be
what is it is called as? So now 0, what is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Index
Sorry,
numbers.
0 is an index number which starts from H. 0, E is 1, L is 2, and so on. Index number.
So 0, first of all, the characters in a string will be read as index. H is
Yes.
0, means index is, for example, roll numbers. So in a class, we have the roll numbers, right? The same way for a string, we will have an index. If I wanted to have index 4, what is the value?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be O. 0.
It will be O.
O, sir. O.
For L,
It
sir.
is O,
No, it
not
will start.
hello. So in hello, what is the index 4? Means, say now
O.
it starts from 0. H is 0, E is 1, L is 2, L is 3, and O is 4. So O will be printed. So now hello world. So now even, okay, if I wanted to have 6, what it will print now? If I give the caret 6, what it will print now?
Okay.
Whatever there.
W. W, sir.
So always it will count the spaces also. So now
Yes, sir.
H is 0, E is 1, L is 2, L is 3, O is 4, space is 5, 6 is W. So now it will print 6 as W. So the char at in that string is W. So this is how, if you wanted to have any particular character, you'll be getting it. And previously, if you've seen when the Naresh shared the code, he shown that contains. Dot contains means whether means now if I wanted to see that str1 dot contains I. So now that will result me in, the method will be giving me the Boolean answer, true or false. I is present in that particular string or not. Answer is true, because I is there, right? So if I given Java in that one, hey, str1 dot contains Java. So will it give me true?
False.
False.
False, because the Java is not there. So that's the reason. If I given hello the str1 dot or means str1 dot contains or.
False.
False.
Huh?
False, sir.
Huh?
It's true, sir. OR is there. OR is there in world.
In the world we have the or,
Yes.
so it gives you the true. So these
Yes.
are the in the interview they will wantedly confuse you, and then they will ask you these things.
Okay.
So because OR is there, it was not like trying to look for the complete words. It will look for each characters. So that's the reason the contains method with conpass, as it is having OR. Okay, so we've seen uppercase, lowercase, trim, length, contains, and ends with D. str1 dot ends with is a method, ends with D. Will it be passed?
True, sir. D last one.
str1 dot ends with. Can you
D.
write that
True, sir.
Yes,
fixed
sir.
Yes,
method
sir.
Yes,
into
sir.
that one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
And
Yes,
my is ending
I
with
am good
D.
at it.
Also, sir,
Yes.
its space
Yeah,
is there.
its space is there.
Or false?
Okay.
So see that and then let me know the outputs. Okay, come down. So char, we have been seeing the char. Okay, so now I wanted so int, what you're trying to do. Okay, so line number 29, what you're trying to do, why you're trying to add uh, n and m and keeping the value into o, what you're trying to do with o.
So I have stored my concat value in O. So it will, as it is, I'm sorry, line number. It will just give me an addition of two numbers, which I have stored in another variable called O. So 1 plus 2 is 3. For number, it will show me as 3. So, yes.
But what are you exactly trying to do there? So that's always
That's
you tried many times, right? In strings, why you try to do it?
Yes, I have like shown the differences. If we go for int data type, it will give us a number, but when we go for string, it will not show any addition of numbers. In fact, it will just concat the two things. So if I give as 1 plus 2, for differences, I have given those things. So 1 plus 2 will give me the answer, whereas I give the same this thing for string, it will just print as 1 and 2, which I have stored in the variable s3.
So
Number and
always you
string.
need to remember that. So when you have been given an integer, so now if you see in the line number 1, so 27, we have 1 plus 2, and when we have been addition, so it was coming as 3. But when you define that one as string, when you add that one, you see the line number 32. So line number 30 is 1 string, 2, when the line number 31 is 2, and 32 is both the strings. So now when I have been given this one, so I'll be seeing that. So if I given it's 1 and 2, 12 it will print. Actually, it
Yes,
should print me 3, right? But it will print me 12
12.
because it is a string. Just we are adding that particular string, concatenating of the strings.
Yes. Yes.
So that's the basic difference between that. And when you go for the special characters, okay. So now here, this is simple quote insertion equal to I am. So I have been given that slash.
Yes, sir.
So now what it
Slash.
will be trying to print?
So it will just show like I apostrophe M. I am doing good. Otherwise, it will the string will get confused with the double quotes and the single. So these are special characters. If you want to make our statement very clear, at that time we can make the use of insert slash n and quotes.
Actually, I'm not able to see the console. Can you scroll up? Console.
Okay, sir.
Console is the bottom section where you see your
Yes,
outputs. Yes.
one.
Yeah. Can you scroll a little bit up or
Okay.
down? Okay. So now if you see here,
Yes.
uh, we have the equal to I'm done. Okay. Where is that? The statement can you show in the code editor? So now on the above, you'll be seeing that is as an editor, right?
Yes.
So go to the editor and then show the code.
This one, line number 37, sir.
So now if you wanted exactly the same as it is, so you are using this particular slash. Now if you wanted to print the double slashes, then what you have did?
Backslash.
So means if you are using the special characters, how the string will behave. So that is what you are trying to show it over here.
Yes.
Show me that. So now if you see here, if you given double slashes, it will print you only one single slash. So whenever you are using some special characters, so for that particular special characters, you should use slash. So now if you see in the previous line, I am done, you have an apostrophe, single apostrophe after I. So that's the reason we have used slash there. Now if I use the double slashes, it can take care of a single slash. Okay, then
So
going
not
for the
understood.
black.
Come again, sir,
So now
please.
what is that? Sorry.
Sir, didn't get you. Come again, please. Related to the single quotes and double quotes.
See, now single quote is a special character, right? If you see in the string, I wanted that apostrophe also. If you, okay, remove that particular slash, please. In the line number 37, remove the slash. Yep. And execute now. Okay, give something like hash and hash m. No, hash also will be displayed.
It's executing.
Dollar. Okay, slash.
It's showing errors now.
Double slash. Print now, execute now. See what it was previously in the previous versions of Java. If you wanted to use any particular thing, okay, instead of that slash, give that remove one double quotes.
Remove double quotes, sir.
Remove that slash, double slashes.
Okay.
Give the single quotes in the m in single quotes. Print, execute now. Give it in double quotes rather than single quotes.
Showing errors.
Now give the slash.
So can we put slash and single quote, sir?
Yeah, I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you. Just hold on for a second. And then after double quotes, after m double quotes is there, right? Give the slash over there also.
After double quotes.
After no, after double quotes. So give the before now. Same for the another double quotes also. After I give the double quote slash. One slash is enough. And remove that second slash. Now you execute the code. See, now you've seen it, right? So why it is not working for the single apostrophe, it is coming directly, or hash dollar. So previous versions of Java, even that is also not allowed. So when we used any particular special characters, we are giving this particular slash. So slash is nothing but it's an escape character. Escape character means, boss, after the slash, if you're seeing something, you leave that category, ignore that particular things. So now I wanted to print something like this yum. So now for an example, now I wanted to print some I. So in the name of yum, you can write your name, Aarti. So now if something I wanted to keep in something in double quotes, I don't have the option. So now what I'll try to do, I'll keep the slash so that that will escape that particular double quotes, and then that double quotes. No, you shouldn't keep. You remove that after Aarti double quotes.
Okay.
So now,
Yes.
so what it was trying to say that, hey, after this particular slash, if you have quotes, ignore. After slash, you ignore this. So that is how this particular escape character will help you us. Okay. So previously, even for slash dollars, the special characters and while characters also it is not supported, but now this particular version of Java it is supporting it. Okay. Did you got it?
Yes, sir.
Why
Yes.
to
Yes,
use
sir.
this particular escape slash?
Yeah. Yes. No. Yes.
Okay. Now what is slash n? What is
New
slash
line.
n?
New line.
So now what it will
Line.
happen is it prints hello and then good morning in the next line. If I wanted that one, then we'll be having slash n. Slash n is it is always a new line.
New
Slash
line.
r,
Carriage written. Work as same.
Same one.
so it is
It
a
will return the
carriage
carriage.
written. So now no, actually when we use slash n slash r is if it is Windows, we will be using both. If it is in Mac operating system, if someone is using Mac, then slash n may not work. Slash r only will work, because for different operating systems they have been given it. So now you should have the same question, right? Hey, if slash n is doing same, why should I get slash r? So for the different operating systems, so because the Java will run in different operating systems, right? So for that one we'll have the slash r. Okay,
Sir,
any
for Mac
questions?
also slash n is working, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. For my purposes, I'm using Mac, so slash n is working naturally.
Some see, you need to understand that, so this is designed very long back, right? So nowadays the Mac also can be work for it. So you just okay, you
Sorry,
just open the browser. Yeah, I mean it's okay. No be to be sorry. So because that all will be there. So now if you have that particular doubt, hey, why this slash and slash r, let's see that. One thing guys, it's not that I whatever I said it is not 100% right. No, even I may be also wrong. Okay, so probably we can together we can learn about it. Open the browser, Aarti.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not seeing your browser.
So are you able to see now?
You need to stop sharing the screen and share complete screen, not one window. You shared only Eclipse. Share the complete screen. Stop sharing.
I did, sir. Oh, okay. Is it visible now?
No.
So now I have shared the whole thing.
Not able to see the screen.
yeah, sir. Meanwhile, can I ask one doubt?
Okay, I'll share that. Okay, you guys are able to see it, right? Slash n
Yes, yes, sir.
versus
Sir.
Yes, sir.
slash n Java. See, on Windows, so now on Linux, so rather than Mac, they are talking on this. Always depend upon the Stack Overflow. If you have any doubts, so quickly you can type like this. Hey, what is it? See, whatever the doubts, now you have it. So this might be for many, some thousands of people will be having the same thing. Okay, so now here you can see that IntelliJ. So IntelliJ is used instead of Eclipse. Sometimes they'll be using IntelliJ, right? Some people. So this statement will be used for them /r for the editor purpose. And when you are in the Windows, so it can be used for you. Okay. So here we can have seen it, right? /n for Unix, /r for the Mac. So now before OS X means 10, I think you were using the latest version of OS Mac. So that's the reason. See now /r and /n will work for Windows. /r will work for Mac. /n will work for Unix. So actually the latest operating system of Mac can support /n and /r also. But previously it used to support only for /r. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, did you got it?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts or anything, so directly you can just open the because uh, I mean giving these sessions in last 8 years, right? So probably there are a lot of changes in the Mac, and I didn't work on the Mac. So probably in the latest versions, it might be working for it. Okay, cool. Who wanted to share the screen? So I think we have, how much time we have? Oh, it's last 3 minutes. Okay, cool. So now the first pointer is, guys, once again I'm saying it, so go back, and I wanted you people to complete the complete strings and operators. Don't keep the pending. Work with the different types, split, join. So those are really very important. So go back to tutorial means strings. Tools Java. Okay, so now actually we need to start with strings, right? So we need to start math, but still what I'll try to do is practice well on strings. This is really very important. So go and then implement all the strings, but don't tell tomorrow that I didn't got this or I didn't implemented this. See, you have your team in the WhatsApp. So if you're not able to implement something, you ping the people, ask them. You have divided into different teams. Coordinate with your people. Try to learn as a group so that you can learn as much as possible. Don't work as individuals. So because the knowledge exchange will be not happen. So whoever knows, so who just try to talk to your team members in the group. So means collaborate with them, understand with them, work together with them. So 1 hour, hey, I implemented this. So what are the things you implemented? Can you tell me what are the new methods we have been seeing it? So those all things, just exchange your thoughts and then try to execute on it. And moreover, so today I wanted strings and 3-point strings. So you need to go to this one, and then you need to complete that particular strings in Java T-point, and then strings in means W3 schools. Why I'm giving one more extra day? Because so don't keep the pending works, and don't say that any reasons. I told you, if you leave, when you're coming back, you need to read that and then come back. So that means you're not collaborating with your people. So that shouldn't be the case. Go back, read, and get the information from your team members what they are doing it. Okay, so do that one. And secondly, whatever the work we have been given, don't keep the pending, because if I go for the next math and booleans, so once again you'll have the pending item and you'll leave that. So I wanted, so whoever I have been seeing today and tomorrow, I'll be reviewing for all others, and for the existing people who has been shown me, whatever the pending items are there, do that one. So For tomorrow session for 1 hour, I'll review all the people's code. So share means get ready with that and then share it with it. Share with it. Okay. So that's it for the day. So I'll catch you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.